everybody, this is Bishop Brad coming to y'all on another salsa review from a company coming here straight out of Texas, I think out of the Dallas, Texas area. This is Frankie V's Kitchen Serrano Salsa. Let me tell you a little bit about this salsa. This company's rocking it, dude. The Serrano Classic recipe has a traditional savory flavor and is one of our most popular salsas. Frankie V's unique blend of local serrano peppers, cilantro, onions, tomatillos, and limes offer an amazing taste and experience. A delicious, fresh, aromatic green salsa you will love. Good on chips, tacos, eggs, guacamole, quesadillas, and a marinade for beef, pork, fish, and chicken. This thing says, Frankie V's gourmet hot sauces and salsa are made using the freshest and highest quality ingredients, locally sourced, when available, and all natural. Frankie V provides himself with 100% of food-based product with absolutely no preservatives. You can go to FrankieV'sKitchen.com, FrankieV'sKitchen.com, check them out. We're going to check them out now. So let's do this. Oh man, allergies. All right. Look at this, love. Let's roll. That Serrano love, dude. Serrano, the lime. Good Lord, this stuff tastes so fresh. You know, marketing, artwork, and label, he gets a 10 out of 10. His labeling is perfecto. On aroma of this, limey, earthy, fresh. He gets a 8 out of 10 on aroma with this. On flavor, oh Lord. He gets an 8 out of 10 on flavor on this one. 8 out of 10, baby. Eight out of 10. On heat, not much heat. Eat for everybody. And all-around product, I would give this also a strong 8 out of 10. A must-try, a must-get. Check out Frankie V's. And I'll put this link right down here in the description. Much love, man. This company's rocking. I'm going to see y'all on the next video. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.